Hello friends, I'm back again with all of you. Today I will be reviewing two desktop airplanes which are purely meant for display purposes, and they are this is the laser cut MiG-21 display model, and also another model is the Sukhoi 30. The pieces here, first of all, let's start with respect to the appearance. The MiG-21 model is absolutely scale looking and very nicely engraved with laser. The best part is it is engraved on both sides with laser, so the scale appearance remains when the model is completely built. And so is the model of Sukhoi, which is I find it very beautifully done up. Just to tell you the dimensions, the model dimensions are approximately in millimeters being given here. It's about 27.4, that's about 27 centimeters for the Sukhoi 30, and the MiG-21 is about 30 centimeters. The material used here is on both these models is Aeroply, and well, it's pretty sturdy. Color scheme is your choice. So finally, who's making this? The manufacturer is from you see this is Hangar-S, and these are wooden DIY models being made by our great friend Vivek Sharma, and being laser cut and supplied from Jodhpur in India. Great effort for Make in India startup. As we go through the building process, which should be very straightforward and very simple, I would be covering significant issues and any difficulties which I've faced, and we'll request Vivek to add a few things or improve on by the end of this video. So without wasting time, let's start building to it. So friends, I've finally assembled both of these models and they've come out beautiful. Assemblies, there's hardly any special skills required to assemble these two models, and no major issues on the assembly part of it, but a couple of things which I've already communicated to Vivek. Soon we should be having those modifications coming in the kit. First is that I have requested him to change the instruction manual into black and white because the color version is not very legible. So, but then it's just a reference element, so should not be of a major issue. The other part is the adhesive which was provided is just one rail of this adhesive, which is insufficient for building this model. So I requested him to add another packet of the adhesive. Besides, one thing is definitely that I would look forward to a change is the appearance of the stand and the fixing of the stand to the aeroplane. Want the stand legs to be parallel on both sides as plates to the fuselage. This will give a better appearance. Overall, the model is excellent and beautiful, and I really would recommend keen builders. In fact, anyone interested in building should not have any difficulty in assembling these models. Beautiful items for giving as gifts, specific to the Indian Armed Forces, so you don't get these models anywhere else. So I strongly recommend that you should try your hand on building one of these, and I'll be sharing with you the website, the cost and the contact information, and in the description box. And I really would recommend that at the earliest, if you get these models while we have a bit of time, this would take precisely 15 minutes to assemble at the most. So once again, thank you for watching, and in case you like the video, kindly press the ring or the bell and let us know. Thank you once again.